Lesson number 3 is indices and cube root. And today we are going to study meaning of numbers having index in rational form m upon n. We have studied the meaning of numbers having index in integer form. For example, pi raised to 5. This can be written as fifth power of 5. Now if index is in the rational form in the form of 1 upon n, then we write 5 raised to 1 upon 5, and this can be written as fifth root of 5. 5 raised to 5 is the fifth power of 5, and 5 raised to 1 upon 5 is fifth root of 5. So number in the denominator shows fifth root, and only if there is only integer it indicates its power, fifth power. Now let us study about the index in the form of m upon n. We know that 8 square is equal to 64. Square of 8 is 64. And we know that 64 raised to 1 upon 3 means 1 upon 3 means cube root. Cube root of 64 is 4. Now consider this cube root of 64. Now this 64 can be written as 8 square, as 64 is equal to 8 square raised to 1 upon 3. This value is also 4. Now let us interchange this index. Now 8 square raised to 1 upon 3 we write as 8 raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 2 here. We have changed their powers. 1 upon 3 is written inside the bracket and 2 is written the square of that bracket. Then we know that 8 raised to 1 upon 3 means cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2, and now 2 square is equal to 4. So let us see that the value of 8 square raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 4, and value of 8 raised to 1 upon 3 bracket square is also 4. Therefore these two numbers, these two forms, 8 square raised to 1 upon 3 is equal to 8 raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Now let us see how to write this. 1 upon 3 is a cube root. Whose cube root? Square of 8. So we write 1 upon 3, for 1 upon 3, cube root of and 8 square, that is square of 8. Square of 8 is equal to, now 2 indicates power, that is square. Therefore we write square of inside the bracket index is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 means cube root. Whose cube root? 8. Cube root of 8. Therefore square of, we write cube root of 8. These two things are similar. Let us see. 1 upon 3 indicates cube root of. Whose cube root? Square of 8. Here 2 indicates square. Whose square? Cube root of 8. Now let us see one more example. Now consider 27 raised to 4 upon 5. This can be written in two ways. 27 raised to 1 upon 5 raised to 4. Because 4 upon 5 can be written as 4 into 1 upon 5. And this 1 upon 5 is taken inside the bracket as index of 27, and this 4 is written the bracket's power. As you have studied the law of index, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So suppose this is m and this is n, then it will be a raised to m into n, and we can write in this way. This is m and this is n, and this also can be written as 27 raised to 4 raised to 1 upon 5. We have taken 4 at first as a power and 1 upon 5 brackets power. Now what is meaning of this? How to write this? Bracket raised to 4, that means it is a fourth power. Whose fourth power? This bracket's fourth power. What is in that bracket? 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 indicates fifth root. Whose fifth root? 27's fifth root. So fourth power of fifth root of 27. How to read? Fourth power of fifth root of 27. So we write fourth power of fifth root of 27, and this also bracket raised to 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 indicates fifth root. Whose fifth root? This bracket's fifth root. What is in that bracket? Fourth power. Whose fourth power? 27. So we read the fifth root of fourth power of 27. So we write fifth root of fourth power of 27. These two are equal things. So if we consider 27 raised to 4 upon 5, index 4 upon 5 is in the form of m upon n. Here this 5 in the denominator indicates the root. This 5 indicates the fifth root of 27, and this 4 indicates the power. So we can split up this in two ways. At first we take 1 upon 5 inside the index and 4 to the power of that bracket, and we also take 4 as the index inside the bracket and 1 upon 5 power of a bracket. Then fourth power of fifth root of 27. 1 upon 5 means fifth root of fourth power of 27. Now Take one more example to understand clearly. Suppose we have a number 9 raised to 2 upon 3. Let us see, this 2 upon 3 can be written as 2 into 1 upon 3. So we can interchange index as 2 and 1 upon 3 here. So we write 9 raised to 2 raised to 1 upon 3. Let us see here, 2 taken inside the bracket and 1 upon 3 taken as the index of that bracket. So we interchange the powers now. 9 raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Now how to read this? 1 upon 3 indicates cube root. Whose cube root? Bracket's cube root. What is in bracket? 9 square. 9 square means square of 9. So cube root of square of 9. So we write cube root of square of 9. And how to read this? Bracket raised to 2. Power 2 indicates square. Who's the square? Bracket square. What is in bracket? 1 upon 3. 9 raised to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 indicates cube root. So square of cube root of 9. Square of cube root of 9. Now in general we can write this as a raised to m upon n. So this can be written as, what is the numerator? A raised to m, denominator 1 upon n is equal to, this can also be written as a raised to 1 upon n raised to m by interchanging the powers. So this can be read as 1 upon n. What is 1 upon n? Nth root of. So we write nth root of. Whose nth root? A raised to m. How to read a raised to m? Mth power of a. Mth power of a. Mth power of a. So nth root of mth power of a is equal to, now this is integer, this is not in the form of 1 upon n, therefore this is mth power of nth root of a. Mth power of nth root of a. Mth power of nth root of a. By using this concept, now we have to solve practice set 3.2 here. Now practice set 3.2. Question number 1. Complete the following table. One table is given there. There are serial numbers 1 to 5. Numbers are given in index form and we have to write it in the form of power of root at first, then root of power. And solution of first example is given. First example is 225 raised to 3 upon 2. Power of the root. Now in this example index is a 3 upon 2. 3 indicates power and 2 indicates the root, square root. 3 means cube. So we write cube of 3 for cube. Cube of square root of 225. Now example number 2. This 4 indicates power and 5 indicates root. So fourth power of this 5 indicates root. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Here also sixth power of seventh root of 81. Now in the numerator 4, we write fourth power of in the denominator 10. So we write 10th root of 100. Then third power means cube of in denominator 7. So we write 7th root of 21. This is in the form of power of root. So we have taken power at first and then root. Now root of the power. Take root at first and then power. That is the 2 as a root. Square root of then power. Cube of 225. So here written square root of cube of 225. Here take at first root. What is that? 5. So fifth root of 4 is power. Fourth power of 45. Now 7 is a root. So we write 7th root. Of then power 6th power. 7th root of 6th power of 81. Then 10th root of 4th power of 100. Then 7th root of 3 means cube. 7th root of cube of 21. So in this table, if we have to write in the form of power of the root, take power at first and number in the numerator indicates power. Then take root. Number in the denominator indicates root. For example, 45 raised to 4 upon 5. We have to write in power of the root. So fourth power of fifth root of 45. In this way you can write. This sixth power of, take power first, sixth power of 7th root of 81. Fourth power of 10th root of 100. Third power means cube of 7th root of 21. So if we have to write in the form of power, take power at first. And root of the power, if we have to write it in the form of root, then take the number in the denominator at first. This is second root. Second root means square root. Square root of third power. Third power means cube. So square root of cube of 225. Square root of cube of 225. Now let us see fifth root of fourth power of 45. Seventh root of sixth power of 81. Tenth root of fourth power of 100. Seventh root of third power. Third power means cube. Cube of 21. That is seventh root of cube of 21. In this way, we have completed question number 1. Now question number 2. Write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Number 1. Square root of fifth power of 121. So at first write the number 121. Then let us see fifth power. Power is written in the numerator and root is written in the denominator. It is a square root. Square root means second root. So we write 2 in denominator and fifth power in numerator. So we write 5 upon 2. 121 raised to 5 upon 2. Square root means 2. Root can be written in the denominator and power, fifth power, 5 is written in numerator of that index. Now second example, cube of fourth root of 324. At first write 324. Then let us see fourth root. Fourth root म्हणजे write 4 in the denominator and cube. Cube means 3. 3 in numerator. So we write 3 upon 4. Fourth root. So 4 in denominator of index and cube. Cube means 3. 3 in the numerator of index. Now fifth root of square of 264. Write 264 number at first. Let us see fifth root. So write 5 in the denominator. Square means 2. 2 in the numerator. So it will be 264 raised to 2 upon 5. Now the next example, cube root of 3. So write 3 number. Then cube root. Cube root means write 3 in denominator and cube. Cube means 3. Write 3 in the numerator.